Hello learners, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start a beautiful chapter of geography, which is India, climate, vegetation and wildlife, in which we are going to study about climate of India, vegetation found in India and a wildlife which exists in India. So let's start the chapter. So there are two terms, weather and a climate. Many a time we are using these terms interchangeably, but there is a difference between both these terms. So let's study that difference. Yeah. So first one, weather. The condition in air above the earth, such as wind, air or atmosphere, especially at particular time and at a particular place. That is, the state of atmosphere in a particular time and at a particular place is called a weather. And the second one is climate. The weather condition prevailing in an area in general or over a long period is called a climate. So let's try to understand both these terms with the example. You are aware of that winter seasons are going on right now, and in a winter season normally the days are cold. Yeah, ठंडी बहुत पड़ती है. Yeah, and this is our climate, that days are going to be cold. But in that it may happen that rain falls somewhere, wind blow more somewhere, there is sunshine more amount at some place, there is a hot atmosphere at some time at some place. So that are our weather. So now there is a question for you, why the news channels are showing weather report and not a climate report? Yeah. So let's move to the next slide, which is broadly the major season recognized in India are, first one is cold weather season, which is winter. It starts on December and lasts to February. The second season is hot weather season, which starts from March and ends or stays till May, and which is also known as summer season. The third season is southwest monsoon season, which is also known as rainy season. It starts from June and lasts till September. The fourth, the last season is season of retraining monsoon. Season of retraining monsoon, autumn. It starts from October and lasts till November. So let's try to understand all four of these one by one. The first one is cold weather season or winter. Yeah. So why winter happens? Just because during the winter season the sun ray do not fall directly in our region, and that's why the days are normally cold at that time. Why? Because rays of sun is not falling directly or falling less to our region. Yeah, as you can see on a picture on your screen, the rays of sun is not falling in more amount or falling less or falling indirectly on our region and not falling directly. Yeah. The second is hot weather season or summer. Now why there is garmi in summer? Why the days are hot? Just because in the hot weather season the sun ray more or less directly fall in our region and temperature become very high at that time, and hot and dry wind called Loo blow during these days. And that's why मम्मा कहती है कि नहीं घर से बाहर नहीं जाना, दोपहर को लू लग जाएगी या and you may fall ill because of that loo. So the third season is southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by onset and advance of monsoon. The wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal toward the land, as you can see in the image displayed on your screen. They carry moisture with them. When these wind strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. The fourth season is retraining monsoon, the season of retraining monsoon or autumn. Now जो बारिश है वो अपने घर वापस जा रही है या सो wind move back from mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of retraining monsoon. As you can see, the winds are going back to their home. अपने घर वापस जा रही है वो. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. However, the climate is about average weather condition which have been measured over many years. And now the climate of India has broadly been described as a monsoon type. The monsoon is taken from Arabic word mausam, which means a season. Due to location in tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon in India. Yeah, and agriculture is also dependent on rain. And if good rain occurs, the agriculture, the crop will be good. So in this video, we have studied about weather, about climate. We understand the difference between both these terms. Then we studied about hot weather season, cold weather season, season of retraining monsoon, southwest monsoon season, and we are going to discuss further things in a next video. So see you in that video. Till then, thank you.